Did you know that over 80% of people who try affiliate marketing quit within the first 6 months? Why? Because they don't know how to do it right. But here's the good news. If you're watching this, you're about to learn how to get it right from the start. And the best part, with the strategies I'm about to share, you could start making money within a week. Today I'll share a step-by-step guide to making money with affiliate marketing, even if you're just starting out. And stick around until the end because I'll share an advanced strategy that could help you scale up to thousands of dollars a month. Let's dive in. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button. Next week we'll explore even more ways to increase your wealth. You don't want to miss it. First, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The beauty of this is that you don't have to create a product, handle shipping, or worry about customer service. You're essentially the middleman, connecting a product with the people who need it. So, how do you start? Step 1 is picking a niche. This is crucial because your niche determines your audience and the products you promote. A niche is simply a specific area of interest like fitness, tech gadgets, personal finance, or beauty. Choose something you're passionate about or curious to learn more about. Remember, the more focused your niche, the easier it is to stand out in a crowded market. Step 2 is joining affiliate programs. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank offer a wide range of products you can promote. For example, Amazon Associates lets you earn commissions by promoting almost anything sold on Amazon. ShareASale is great for niche-specific products, while ClickBank specializes in digital products like online courses and ebooks. Once you sign up, you'll get unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. When you're starting out, it's tempting to sign up for every program you come across. But that's not the best strategy. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. Look for programs that offer fair commission rates and have a good reputation in the industry. There are 3 main types of affiliate programs you should consider. High-paying, low-volume programs. These are often niche products with fewer buyers but higher commissions. Low-paying, high-volume programs. These are products with mass appeal but lower commission rates. High-paying, high-volume programs. These are competitive but can be very lucrative. When you're just starting, it might be easier to focus on the second category. As you gain experience and build your audience, you can gradually move into the other categories. Step 3 is creating content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. This is where the magic happens. Your content could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even email newsletters. The key is to provide value to your audience. Instead of just saying, buy this product, show them how it solves a problem or improves their life. For instance, if you're promoting a fitness product, create a video titled 5 Ways to Lose Weight Fast and include your affiliate link in the description. Now let's expand on the content creation process because it's the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. When crafting content, storytelling can make a huge difference. Share personal experiences or success stories about how a product helped you or someone you know. This builds trust and makes your recommendations more relatable. For example, if you're in the tech niche, talk about how a specific gadget improved your workflow or helped you stay organized. Another tip: experiment with different content formats. While blog posts and videos are great, don't underestimate the power of infographics, live streams, or even short-form content like TikToks and Instagram Reels. These formats can grab attention quickly and make your message memorable. Pay attention. This is important. Your content needs to grab attention and build trust. If people don't trust your recommendations, they won't click your links. Be genuine and honest in your reviews. If a product has flaws, mention them but highlight why the product is still worth considering. Step 4 is driving traffic to your content. This is where a lot of beginners struggle, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Start with free methods like sharing your content on social media, joining relevant Facebook groups, or posting on forums like Reddit. If you're active and helpful, people will naturally check out your content and click your links. Once you're comfortable, consider paid traffic options like running ads on Google or social media platforms. Even a small budget can bring in a steady stream of visitors if you target the right audience. For example, if you're promoting a beauty product, run ads targeting people interested in skincare or makeup. SEO, or search engine optimization, is another powerful tool for driving traffic. Optimize your content with keywords people are searching for. For example, if you're promoting a productivity app, use phrases like best apps to stay organized or top tools for remote workers. This makes it easier for people to find your content on Google or YouTube. Keep watching because the next tip is a game changer. It's all about scaling your affiliate marketing income. Step 5 is building an email list. Why? Because email is one of the most effective ways to drive traffic and make sales. Here's how it works. Offer a free resource like an ebook or cheat sheet in exchange for someone's email address. Once they're on your list, you can send them valuable content along with your affiliate links. For example, if your niche is tech gadgets, You could create a free guide called Top 10 Gadgets to Simplify Your Life. Include affiliate links in the guide and promote it through your content. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit make it easy to set this up. Let's talk about retargeting next. Retargeting means reaching out to people who've already interacted with your content but haven't made a purchase yet. You can set up retargeting ads on platforms like Facebook or Google to remind them of the products you're promoting. This simple strategy can significantly boost your conversions. Here's an advanced strategy for scaling up: creating a blog or website. A blog gives you a home base for all your content and builds your authority in your niche. Plus, blog posts can rank on Google, bringing in long-term organic traffic. If you combine a blog with email marketing, you've got a powerful system for generating passive income. Don't forget about partnerships. Collaborating with other content creators or influencers in your niche can expose your affiliate links to a larger audience. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, partner with a fitness influencer to create a joint video or post. Their audience trusts them, which increases the chances of clicks and sales. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Tracking your performance is essential for growth. Most affiliate platforms provide basic analytics, showing how many clicks and sales you've generated. Use this data to figure out what's working and what's not. For example, if a particular product isn't selling well, try promoting something different. Or if one piece of content performs well, create more like it. Bonus tip: combine affiliate marketing with other income streams. Consider selling digital products or offering coaching services alongside promoting products as an affiliate marketer. For instance, if you're in fitness, you could promote workout equipment while selling meal plans. This diversifies income and makes business more resilient. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online, even as a beginner. The key is taking action, staying consistent, and keeping learning. Remember, every expert was once just starting out, so don't be afraid. Now that you know how to make money with affiliate marketing, check out this video on Make Money with Digital Products Beginner's Guide. It's packed with actionable tips. Which strategies are most exciting? Let me know below. I'd love hearing your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to grow your income and achieve your goals. See you next time.